This is the Chemistry 121 lab safety video for mole relationship and a chemical reaction. In this lab, you will be experimentally determining the molar relationship between a reactant and a product in a chemical reaction. Before you come to lab, calculate the molar mass of each chemical used in this lab. In this lab, you will be using corrosive chemicals, specifically hydrochloric acid. So safety goggles should be worn at all times. Caustic or corrosive chemicals will damage your skin, so care should be used when handling these chemicals. If caustic chemicals do come in contact with your skin, rinse your skin with water immediately. In this lab, you will slowly be adding hydrochloric acid to an evaporating dish containing sodium bicarbonate, or NaHCO3, commonly called baking soda. When you react hydrochloric acid and sodium bicarbonate together, sodium chloride and carbon dioxide gas will be produced. A watch glass should be used as a cover to prevent chemicals from splattering or popping out of the evaporating dish during the chemical reaction. After the reaction is complete, remove the watch glass and carefully rinse any residue into the evaporating dish using a small amount of deionized water. The second part of this experiment involves gently boiling the solution in the evaporating dish to remove the water and recover solid sodium chloride. Place the evaporating dish containing the mixture over a 250 milliliter beaker containing approximately 150 milliliters of gently boiling water. You can obtain gently boiling water by using a hot plate. That's one option. Or you can set up a ring stand and the Bunsen burner to boil the water instead. Either way, you should place your evaporating dish on top of the beaker containing the gently boiling water. The contents of the evaporating dish should boil gently, and overheating will result in the sodium chloride bubbling out of the evaporating dish and affecting your final results. After the sodium chloride in the evaporating dish appears dry, cool it, dry the bottom with a paper towel to remove any excess water, and measure the mass. Reheat the evaporating dish once more for 5 minutes. Cool it, dry the bottom again, and measure the mass. If the difference in the masses is less than 0.05 grams, all the water has been removed. If the difference in the masses is greater than 0.05 grams, repeat the process of heating, cooling, and measuring the mass until all the water has been removed and only solid sodium chloride remains in the evaporating dish. All liquid and solid waste produced in this experiment should be disposed of in the labeled waste container in the fume hood. Do not pour chemicals down the drain. The only substance that can be poured down the drain is tap water and pure deionized water. Before you leave, clean, dry, and put all equipment back where you found it, whether it's a cart, your box, or a shelf. Wipe off your lab bench and wash your hands. Remember that a safe lab is a happy lab.